Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I am ready with my shaving equipments. Now I am showing you my products. This is the shaving cream I am using today. The Shave It. This is a Parker Shave It with Gillette 7 o'clock blade on the second use. This is a second use. The another thing which can help you in shave is this, the spray gun. If you want to apply some water, this is amazing. If you add some moisture or some water in brush, this is amazing. I am going to do 3 passes of shaving. One is with the grain along with across the grain also, and the second pass and the third pass is both are against the grain. 2 passes against the grain. So please watch how I go with my shave it. The angle of the shave it, please observe the angle of the shave it. Now I will do all the process in the fast forward mode. Please watch carefully how I use shave it with the grain and 2 times against the grain. I am using decent amount of shaving cream. Now I bowl lather. When I bowl lather or a face lather, I add water like this. My bowl lather is ready. When you use shave it, observe this angle. This angle is already made in for to apply. How to apply the shave it. How to use shave it with this angle. Always remember, this angle is very important. This is the safest angle to use shave it. If you go beyond that, this is harmful. This will make you bleed, cut, nicks and bumps, razor bumps. Okay. Now I am going to do first pass with the grain and across the grain. I have completed my first pass. Now I am going to do my second pass against the grain. So my second pass is complete. Now I am going to do the third and final pass. So I have completed my shave. As a post shave routine, I only apply moisturizer. Thank you. See you next time.